Hello students, welcome in English class 10. Today from Footprint Without Feet, that book, chapter 6, The Making of a Scientist. It is the story of a 22-year-old boy named Richard Everett, means who has started his achievement in scientific field, and he have written something about means how to sell works in his college journal. It is a great achievement for a student, means in student life if anyone started any research, then it is means a thing, a symbol of invention. Okay, इस चैप्टर में साइंटिस्ट जो बने हैं बाद में जा करके उनकी स्टोरी दी गई है, जिनका नाम रिचर्ड एवरेट था। अपने रूममेट के साथ उन्होंने उस जर्नल में जो कुछ भी लिखा है अबाउट द बटरफ्लाइज, मीन्स जूलॉजी साइंस, ही हैव मीन्स डन हिज इन्वेंशन. ओके, ए साइंटिस्ट अचीवमेंट. A scientist achievement is success in his experiment and research. So, means Richard also become success in his experiment and research. Okay. His much more love for butterflies. Means उनका ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लगाव butterflies से था. Butterflies, you know, love everyone because it's so surprising and good looking thing for the children. It's increase excitement also, but he also want to know about them much more, deep knowledge about them. Okay, तो उनका बहुत ज़्यादा लगाव बटरफ्लाइज के साथ था. So next collection of Everett. You know, Everett have collected 25 variety and species of butterfly, means around his hometown. 25 प्रकार की प्रजातियां उन्होंने बटरफ्लाइज की खुद सर्च करके कलेक्ट करके उनके बारे में खोज किया. ओके, एंड यू नो बुक दैट चेंज्ड हिज लाइफ. नेक्स्ट हेडलाइन, हिज मदर गॉट ए बुक विच हैव टर्निंग पॉइंट इन हिज लाइफ. a lot things written there, and that book's name was the because his mother have given the Travels of Monarch X. Its name is the Travels of Monarch X, and on that book you know about monarch butterflies, monarchial butterflies and viceroy butterflies. He have discussed on that. Okay, competitions and science fairs. You know, in the scientific field, a lot of scientists, whatever they have achieved, its fairs always be held in a competition. Means when he have participated but not got any prize, then also he have learned that means continue work and achievement is very important in scientific field. And he have also started about the searching about the deep knowledge of butterflies. Okay, the gold spot experiment. Then he got that whatever gold spot you have seen on their wings or butterflies wings, means that experiment he have done. means वो धब्बे क्यों रहते हैं, तो उन्होंने खोज किया तो उन्हें पता लगा कि वो धब्बे हार्मोन्स हैं जो बटरफ्लाइज के मीन्स टोटल डेवलपमेंट में उनकी हेल्प करते हैं, और फुल डेवलपमेंट के लिए वो हार्मोन्स, वो स्पॉट्स बहुत ही मीन्स बहुत ही लाभदायक हैं उनके लिए. ओके, एंड बाय द गोल्ड स्पॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट ही गॉट न्यू नेम एंड फेम इन जियोलॉजी, एंड ही गॉट द फर्स्ट प्राइज इन जियोलॉजी, इंटरनेशनल प्राइज इन ए साइंस फेयर. ओके, ए सीनियर हाई स्कूल अचीवमेंट. Senior high school achievement means under to it he got that prize of gold spot experiment, and he become one of the famous scientists in geology world, and means after that his name and fame become much more, and he also got the knowledge about the gold spot of butterflies. Okay, and after that, by this achievement, means he got the permission for working in laboratory of agriculture laboratory and army laboratory. Means he won and he got the chance for working those both laboratories in US. Okay. Richard Everett's mother have cooperated and supported him much more. She have offered the things whatever needed in his during student's life. Means microscope, cameras and a lot of things she had offered for him. Okay. So means from the early life and childhood lives he was become multi-talented person. Multi-talented person means Richard become means a good orator and with a good scientist. He was also a good economist and means broadly he can speak well and he was good in debate, outspeaking speeches and he was means a outdoor person. Okay, and everyone was knowing him. He was well behaved also. So Mr. Weiler's opinion. Mr. Weiler's was his SST teacher. He have opened his mind and he have also appreciate his work whatever he have done. You know teacher's role is very important in his student life. If anyone becomes succeed, then teachers also play very important role because due to his appreciation he was understanding his feelings, he was knowing him well, so he also become excited for doing much more. Okay, in this way he was become a good scientist and a popular person in his life. Okay, the summary of this chapter is that the making of a scientist means with the cooperation of their friends and their teachers, their mother, means anyone can do anything unexpected thing in his life if they have much more means curiosity and feelings and ambition for doing well, then anyone may be success in his life. Okay.